Dito sa Dalanab is itong SLO is too small against itong sa Berkeley, talagang matatangkad.
Number 4, pipilitin yung kanyang tira. So, naintindihan natin itong si Ate Hera. Gusto niyang maka-score. But again, hindi ganun kaganda yung kanyang mga attempt. So, 43-19, patuloy pang lumalaki yung kalamangan dito. 3:58 remaining. So wala pa rin kahit yung mga lucky bounce. And another tap. Ito. By Bilarde. Pero sayang, hindi nila nakukumpleto yung kanilang play. On the other side.
Look at that number 4, tuwan-tuwa, number 14. Itong si Gumaya. Talaga namang electrifying yung kanyang tira. Ate Hera to Serrano or Carantes. Carantes using the board.
I think Carantes and Ate Hera, kailangan nilang buhay dito. Ito na naman. From downtown, pumasok pa number 10. Masadaw. So, 5-2 natin na naman.
So 21-48. Medyo ito, namagana ng todo.
Ate Hera. Again, looking for a teammate. Mukhang last touch pa dito. Ditong mga nakaitem. 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
5 seconds shot clock. 5 to shoot.
Big basket by Ate Hera.
24-point lead for Berkeley. Gerlan. No basket. Second attempt for Gerlan. Wala pa rin. Carantes against itong si the Aire.
Timeout Berkeley.
So another timeout by the Berkeley team. Mukhang ito yung kalamangan nga patuloy ng lumalaki. 48-24. So Ate Hera kanina nakagawa ng basket. But again, gaya ng sinabi natin, kailangan pa ng tulong galing sa ibang manlalaro kung gusto pang makabalik nitong SLU.
Oo, so 24-48, 24-point lead ito para sa Berkeley, 2 minutes 6 seconds. Di Aire. Oh, 26 points, 50-24. Ate Hera.
So nothing but to catch a foul para dito kay Ate Hera. So masusubukan siya on the free throw area. So 50-24. So halos na doble pa yung kalamangan sa pagpasok natin dito sa third quarter. Ay naging istorya nito yung second lineup. Kumbaga second quarter.
Oh, yung sa second quarter, talagang halos hindi sila naka-score.
Again, Ate Hera, I think, man of the hour para dito sa SLU. Pero, yun nga ang nasabi natin, I think 2 or more players kailangan magtulungan o mag-dominate para makabalik sila dito sa laro. Again, Ate Hera, forcing the issue. Walang contact, walang whistle. Again, tumatakbo na naman. Number 14. And again, number 14. The smallest player now on the court. Mayroon ng 4 na puntos. 1 and 14 remaining. Atihera forcing the issue. May nakitang contact o may tinawag ang ating referee. Number 12 from downtown, wala pa rin. Rebound.
1 minute, 10 remaining. 1
Number
minute.
15, dire-diretso na lamang. So, nakabuelo na. Ika nga, wala nang magawa ang mga defender nitong si Diare. Again, 54 to 26. Atihera susubukan ulit makagawa ng basket from a distance. Pero wala, hindi pumasok. Number 7, tap. To number 4, Atihera now. Bilarde with the ladder, Bilarde. Ito.
10 seconds.
Wala
5 seconds to shoot.
Geometry.
So,
5 to shoot.
nakakatuwa. Makita mo yung at the age ng mga ganyan. Makikitaan mo na sila. Again, hustle play. Tingnan natin, mababalik ang bola.
Naku.
Blocking pa.
Daking ball ito si Guraya. Parang wala lang sa kanya, ha?
13, first personal, fourth, 2 foul.
2.9 seconds, no? 26:54. And that's it. That's the end of the third quarter. 26:54. Oh, it's a huge lead. I don't know kung what kind of adjustment ang gagawin dito ni Coach Obinia in the fourth quarter.
Chase for your dreams, shoot for the stars, though hard it may seem, no matter how far. Find the power that's within, it's inside you, let it out. We have what it takes to win. Run away from any doubt. Find the strength in your heart. There is nothing you can't achieve until the end. From the start, trust yourself and just believe. Get up, get up, get up when you fall. Be better than the rest. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, and walk tall. Show them how to be the best. Be the best, the best. Be the best, be the best. Be the best, be the best. Be the best, be the best.
Last quarter, SLU ball.
So, last 8 minutes of this game. So, ang SLU, kailangan dito, doble kayod.
Oo. So itong 5 ng SLU, itong si Sumalbag, Parine, Sinafuran, of course, Atihera, and Bugayong. Dito naman sa koponan ng
SLU ball.
Berkeley, of
SLU.
course, si Ridelos. You have, of course, Mendoza, Atos, Ano ba to? Si number 12, no? Si Serrano. And yung kanilang player, no? Si number 19, itong si Margata.
So, ang nangyari dito, parang tatlong poste ang nilagay
Oo.
agad nitong Berkeley para alagaan yung kanilang kalamangan
Tama.
na napakalaki. On the part of SLU, mukhang Bugayong, I think, kailangan niya mag-step up dito.
Oo, of course. Bugayong and Atehera and Nafuran, no? No question about Parone dahil kilala natin kung paano maglaro itong si Parone. No? All out din itong batang ito. As number 12 itong si Serrano committing a turnover. That's a traveling violation.
But again, 54 to 26. Time is running out para dito sa mga nakaputi. Every possession dito,
Oo.
at least sana, before 15 seconds or what, makagawa na sila ng basket
Foul number 19, second
to
personal,
overcome that
first team
very
foul.
huge margin. Again, Atihera. Bugayong nag-isip ng tres. Atihera. Lapit niya ng konti. Pasa sa ilalim na puran.
Oo, sinafuran. Sayang, ano?
Pero makita mo kasi
Foul
dalawang
number
nakaitim
4,
agad.
first personal,
Ang
first team
sarap.
foul.
Konting ika nga, konting tapik lang. Wala na agad ang bola dito sa kupunan ng SLU. Again, number 6 from downtown. Susubukang kunin yung kanilang unang puntos. But that's not good. Number 11 na, Bugayong. So,
Nakita mo, no? Yung galaw nitong batang to, ibang klase talaga.
I think napakabilis na nitong si Bugayan, but again, yung kumbaga mismatch pa rin napakalaki ng tatlo nasa
Babantay sa kanya.
Kumbaga, dalawang hakbang nitong si Bugayan, isang hakbang lamang ng kanyang defender. Kaya wala siyang nakuha ang basket, but again, foul. Ako shooting foul, tingnan natin. Yung kanyang unang bitaw sa free throw, hindi pumasok. And again, the second is good.
6 minutes, 39. Ito, nagtatrap ang Luisian. Mendoza. Almost traveled. Itong si Serrano, titira ng 3. Wala. Sumalbag, nakuha yung rebound. Ito si Paroni. Paroni naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nafuran. Stepping on the baseline.
Talagang yun pa rin yung kanilang problema. Sarado ang shaded
Oo.
area. And again, number 4, Ridelos. Eto, si Ridelos, pwede niyang idiretso yung bola. But
Good
again,
block by Nafuran.
showtime para dito kay Ridelos. 5:51 remaining. Again, Bugayong to number 10. Napakahirap pa rin ang basketball para dito sa SLU. Samantalang dito naman sa Berkeley mukhang mariretain nila yung kanilang corona. 56 to 27. Palitan pa rin dito ng mga manlalaro. Mukhang ito.
Mas tumangkad na naman itong lineup ng Berkeley.
Number 11. Hindi pa rin makagawa ng basket from that area. The Aire spins. Dalawa agad, magandang depensa. Number 12 from downtown using the glass. Medyo malakas yun. The Aire again. Offensive rebound. Ito, masyado ng tatlo yung dumikit sa kanya. So automatic may matatawagan po dyan. Dahil yung dalawa, okay lang yung dalawa. Nakatas lang yung kamay. But the other player, mukhang gustong makasundot. So after this game, kasunod din agad yung awarding ceremony.
Oo.
And again, the Aire is still contributing kahit malaki na yung kanilang kalamangan. 5 and 19. Another attempt from downtown, medyo malakas para sa SLU. The Irish, siya na rin yung nagbababa. Naghanap ng kakampi. Another attempt from downtown. Ito. Kumbaga may kasama pang Buenas. Yung mga bitaw. Nitong Berkeley. 61-27. Medyo malaki na ito. Number 12 to number 11. And again, Bugayong gumawa ng paraan. Umalugulog ang bola pero hindi nahulog dun sa basket. Ito na ngayon, tumatakbo ang black shirt. Two black shirt is ahead. Tingnan natin kung makukumpleto nila. Hindi nila nakumpleto yung laro. Pero ito, offensive rebound na naman, pagkakataon para makagawa pa sila ng basket. But before that, may stoppage na ginawa. Preventive foul by the white shirt, pero akop shooting pa rin. So it means 2 free throw on the way. And again, number 12, Serrano. Hindi pumasok yung kanyang unang bitaw sa free throw area. And again, the second para dito sa Mama numero 12. Pumasok. And again, sabi nga po natin kanina, this is a championship. Although SLU, maganda yung kanilang pinakita
Oo.
kahapon doon sa semifinals para
Medyo medyo na-bounce sila ng todo during the second quarter. Medyo malaki na yung ipinondo ng Berkeley.
And again, the SLU is still doing their assignment, but again, yung oras kasi dito, 3 and 42 remaining. Bugayong, best play para sa kanya, pero hindi pumasok. Number 10 again, put back, wala pa rin para dito kay Napuran. Bugayong, binitawan na lamang, wala pa rin.
He was fishing for a foul.
Atihera, sasayang dahil Napuran left open on the other side. But again, mukhang naisip itong si
Oo.
Atihera, nakabelo na siya. Gusto niyang tapusin yung play na yon.
Probably not enough time for the Louisians dahil this is a huge 31-point lead with 3 minutes 13 seconds. So medyo alanganin na na makahabol pa dito ang Louisians.
But again, for the Louisian, the experience to play a championship, napakalaking bagay na po niyan. And aside from that, kumbaga, ang nakita lang natin dito talagang yung mismatch. Either first batch, second batch, may nakalaang malalaki, kumbaga, may malalaki itong Berkeley. Number 12 running, and again another attempt. Wala pa rin, rebound, nice block. But again, ang bola, Bugayong.
I think itong si Coach Obinia can already rest his players, itong mga superstar niya, and might probably palitan niya na yung mga nasa bench na mga paglaruin niya. Two minutes 40 seconds, 32-62. It's a 30-point lead for Berkeley.
And of course, mga key player pa rin. Kumbaga for security lang na bago matapos itong ating liga, safe na. But again, mukhang desidido pa rin na at least pababain yung kalamangan. Another miss from the outside, Agawan. Traveling.
So 2 minutes 15 seconds, 35-62. Maya-maya po magkakaroon na po tayo ng awarding dito po sa loob ng gym dito po sa Easter College.
And again, number 18, Parone. Steal. So, palitan pa rin ng player, Makasaet. Then, eto, binalik pa itong si Ridelos. So, mukhang gusto pang dagdagan eh.
Talagang gustong idiin, ano?
Oo. Hindi pa rin kontento itong si Coach Go doon sa kanyang kalabangan. Ridelos. Number 5, Ridelos. Offensive rebound. Number 4, Gumaya to number 17 from downtown. So, ang bola, dire-diretso na lamang sa labas. .22 lead, 1:34. I think final buzzer na lamang yung ating inaantay.
Oo, so
And
that's
final score.
22-point lead. Napakalaki, no?
Again, SLU possession, number 11 from downtown. Susubukan pa rin.
Traveling yun, ano?
Parone. Ito, nagpapakamatay pa sa possession. Bugayan na with the leather. Against 4-5 black shirt. Tingnan natin kung ma-recover nila.
Sumalbag. Patatapusin nata ni Coach Obinia itong kanyang mga players.
Ate Hera, nagkaroon pa dito ng steal. Ate Hera, ito Bugayong. Ito Parone, wala pa rin. And again, number 10 jump. Steal. No easy.
Last 15 seconds. So that's it for the Berkeley School. Talagang dinupensahan nila yung kanilang crown. 40-62 ang ating score. Huge 22-point lead by the champions, Berkeley. Of course, siyempre ang SLU, we're gonna bring home the first runner-up trophy. So congratulations to Berkeley. And maya-maya lamang po, susunod na po yung ating awarding ceremony of the 2014 SBP Passerelle Twin Tournament. And again, congratulations sa ating mga winners, sa ating mga champions, St. Louis University Louisians, ang Passerelle team who took the Passerelle Championship, at siyempre itong Berkeley, no, who successfully defended their crown on this year's 2014 SBP Passerelle Twin Tournament. So maya-maya po, ipapasa na po natin ang ating program sa ating main MC nitong tournament. Medyo nanahimik yung ito, sa parents, tahimik ang ating kapunan ng SLU. Ito, may champion shirt pa. Itong Berkeley. Okay, Chris. So, habang inihintay natin siguro, we will be having a program will follow shortly. The awarding ceremony of the SBP Passerelle Twin Tournament in a while.
Congratulations once again, Berkeley School, 3-time
Okay, so with that, siguro
SDP champion.
ipapasa na natin,
This is the
Chris,
third championship in a
yung
row.
ating awarding ceremony to Mr. Melvin Perez, no? To do, of course, the awarding ceremony.